activity on part of the community. It's very nice to see all of you all here. Being a Sunday, leaving aside your personal work, I made it a point to attend. So most of you all, I think many of you all are not from Bhiwadi. You have been the point from there. Now we are very grateful to Mr. Louis D'Souza, because of whom we have been able to have this meeting today. He made it a group and got everybody together, and worked very hard and still working hard. Then Mr. Mr. Kavra, because of him, this whole area has been cleaned up. If you had come here a few weeks ago, you would have seen all the roof damaged, the tires broken, this whole place was a mess. Trees outside were hanging on the roof, branches fallen. We managed to clear up all that. Of course, funds have been a constraint, but somehow we managed. So, actually, we are now trying to put forth our rights to the government. Because as you know, the government has been, due to various policies, rules and regulations, the rights of the Komidas have been diluted. So we have to fight for those rights. And we, the Komidas of Kochi, are trying to take a small step forward with the help of maybe other Komidas. So I will once again extend a warm welcome to you all for today's meeting. Thank you.
The second point on the agenda is regarding the election of the new committee. So, Srivam will just tell you what is the procedure, which month. See, there are certain points here that we just touch upon, but there are some other things that may take longer. Regarding the new committee election.
इलेक्शन आता 2025 जातले डिसेंबरान सुरू जातले तर गव्हर्मेंटाचे ऑर्डर गॅजेटेड पब्लीक जाता उपरांत सगळे डेट दिले 25 डिसेंबरान सुरू जातले जशी इलेक्शनां जानेवारी फेब्रुवारीन पडटा 2025 जून मेजरींग कितें गॅजेटेड पयलीं पब्लीश मागीर ती डेटी दितले सगळ्यांक बाकी तुमी सगळ्यांनी कॉपरेट करपाक इलेक्शन मॅनेजिंग कमिटी एक्टिव्ह असल्याक समजा करतले आता हांव 2 वर्सां तुमचे मॅनेजिंग कमिटी कडेन म्हाजें कितें टचिंग नासलो आनी काबरा खातीर हांव ताका टच केलो हांवें सगळे रूम मोडलेले हांवें येवन इन्स्पेक्शन केलें त्या उपरांत कितें रिटायर केलें तेणी बरें एक काम केल्लें कंप्लीट मोडलें कितें मारलें म्हाजे कडेन फोटो मारलेले आसा आनी तेच्या खातीर तो डेली ऑफिसान आमच्या आसता पणजे.
So the next is regarding chief. It is an irony that we give a place for everybody to live and make everybody's lives better. But in our own surrounding, we don't have electricity, we don't have water, we don't have a toilet. So anyway, it's not too late. We all agree that we should have this basic facility. Of course. So there are some, next point is civil works. There are some works that need to be taken up like plastering and so on. So that is also something that all of us agree, I guess. Provision of toilet. Yeah. Now the next one is a little tricky point, but we will not deliberate on it because it will take a really long time. If we have time, after we have finished everything, we can talk about it. This is regarding, as per the code of Bhumidar, no transfer of Goldi Bhumidar land fields is permissible. Circular is to be given to the Central Zone Administrator as well as Mamladar of Bhiwadi regarding this. What is happening is Mamladar is sending notices to the committee so that then I'm saying that if you don't attend, they will decide ex parte and take whatever decision they want. This is totally unfair. So regarding that, there are many cases about this that have many things and aspects that we all have to know. It's quite an in-depth subject. We can talk about it after we finish the.
No, but what is certain also, Mamladar does what if somebody is a tenant, they purchase the property. What they do is they take out the gold, Bhumidar's name, and they put Dhyan.
Correct.
Is it legal to do that?
Instead of 10 now.
So that's why I'm saying it is a complex issue. Because it is first of all purchase, who is selling?
Computer name should never come out.
Yes, that's
First of all,
what.
Cannot
because
be
they have
sold.
already been taken out. Names are taken out.
Absolutely
And the
right.
person name is put there.
You're absolutely right. It's quite a complex thing. We'll address it in a separate thing. You need quite a bit of time for that. Next thing after that, if you notice the very, very important records inside this room, they've all been eaten up by termites. I'm very sad to see that. So the first and most important thing here is that we need a stainless steel cupboard. We need 2 stainless steel cupboards. So now what happens is generally to wait to get the money from the administrator, we will touch upon our accounts in the next point. But to go to the administrator and so on, it becomes very tiring. And then sometimes, because you cannot help it, you have to spend your own money, which is unfair, and so on. So we want to request, if everybody agrees, that one member who has got credibility and we all have great faith in, we build some kind of a small corpus for emergency things like this, and we just go to that person. So I have a person that I would recommend, who is a highly experienced person and who has great integrity and reputation, is Mr. Kino Dasa. So he is one of the elder people of our village, and we can consider him. So it's basically anybody who wants to contribute to a Kadasha or emergency things like this, please, if you think that this is a sensible thing, do you find that we need something like this?
Yes.
Is it okay, Mr. Kino?
I'm willing to do that. If I'm fine, everyone is agreeable, I'm okay. I'm willing to do that.
We'll create. Thank you very much. Now the other thing that we need pest control very immediately over here. It's quite a big job. So everybody agrees? Food and excellent good food and so on, but they are all in shambles. They need repairs and so on. So everybody agrees that we need to spend and put them back in shape. In the meantime, we use the steel cover to transfer the documents. And those documents you can almost not handle them. So we need to ask for some expertise, either from the archives or something, so that they do not get destroyed.
Or maybe photograph.
As far as these points you made, the termites, and why don't we get some digital copies made of the?
Absolutely, that's what. So we'll do that.
It's very simple,
That's
even
right.
with the phone you can do
You
it.
can help us with that?
Can
Yeah, I've got only my phone.
Not that way. You can make a team who can help you and look into it.
Yeah, I'm willing to help.
Give your time.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So one thing we have not done here is self-introduction. So I start with myself. My name is Rizal D'Souza. The only thing my father had told me is, Babre, the नाम बरोबर विसर नका. I asked him, Papa, किधर ₹2, ₹3 के ऊपर एक दिस का बम दे रहा हूँ. Now I'm beginning to just see the tip of the iceberg. That's as far as I need to introduce myself. So now, but each one of us should introduce so that we know each other. We'll make it very quick.
My name is Norbert, and I was in Goa just recently. Going to Goa and.
Let us make it very brief.
I will be here if any help is needed. I've worked earlier, so in future also, if there's anything, I'll always be around.
I am Anthony Cabral, I'm the treasurer of this community, and I have the love of ancestors, which was built by our ancestors, so we have to protect this site. So we will not change this site, we will protect it as it is. So we need help from you all, Bandi Gaongar, only. Thank you.
Mr. Parab needs no introduction. Everybody knows him. And he has been outstanding as far as health is concerned. And it was he who fixed the date for us, who also said that the budget can be passed at the same time. So he has been very, very cooperative. A big hand to him.
presenters on behalf of the administrator of the Komnidar Central Zone. I am Prakash Pereira.
There the problem work of question. हम पहिलोच बिजनेस सॉल्व करते हैं पार्टनरशिप सॉल्व ಮಾಡले आणि काही सॉल्व ಮಾಡले कोण ಮಾಡले आम्ही दोघ जणांनी ಮಾಡले एक गोवनीस एक आमनीस एक अग्रणी आणि अनेक लोक ते 3 वर्ष झाले मला पैसे मिळवपाक पडते एक 5 रुपयापासून कोणाच्या दुसऱ्याला काढून मिळवणं आणि काहीच करून मिळवणं तर तू पाहिजे ही परिस्थिती हा किती कोणी रस्ती किती लोकांना ऑफिसर गव्हर्नमेंट असा काय ती प्रॉपर्टी सेल जातात रोखीच गव्हर्नमेंटला कॉमन असतं ना गव्हर्नमेंट करतं आणि ते पैसे येऊन एक उमेदा दिले पैसे कुठे उमेदा नाही मीटिंग कर खाली या हा फाल्या तो समज तर एक होता केस कर बॉल एक होता आज साजी मीटिंग या धाडटा नोटीस केली तू हाजीर जाऊन कर ते हाजीर करता येणार ते म्हणतात एक्सपर्टांची आणि ते पैसे गव्हर्नमेंट आपणाच्या ट्रेजरी करता जागो आमचो नावार आमच्या आहात आणि पैसे घेतात गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या ट्रेजरी हे चेंज जाते जाय ते करपाचें आहा सामान पायल्याक जाय तो हें करपाचें आनी जाय ती डिसिजन घेतली फाटली हांवें मिटिंगेक जावन आनी फाटले कमिटीन ताणी एक हें केल्लें कितें एग्रीमेंट केल्लो एक पार्टी कडेन ते आमचे मिल खात्यावर बाकी ते दिवपाक लिजाक दिवपाक आनी ते लिजाक दिवपाक म्हणजे ते आनी ते लागीं चल्लो ना ते गेले ना तो आयज करता फाल्यां करता म्हण आयज 5 वर्सां जालीं ताका लागून हें सगळें पेंडींग उरलां ताका दिल्लें हें करपाक म्हण भितर फंड काय ना भितर एकूच कितें 90,000 GFT आहा आनी दुसरे 4 लाख आमचे कडेन 5 फुटाचे भितर रेवेन्यू काय येना म्हयन्याक कितें बाबा येतलें आनी कितें करतलो म्हणल्यार कांयच ना भितर आनी येना ताका लागून मागता तुमच्या कडेन तुमचे कॉर्पोरेशनातून ते कंट्रिब्युशन करून तो कितें जर जाता जाल्यार जायतें जातलें थँक्यू
I just think that there are two things that we need to do if we want to do any work in the future. One is we have to get our membership lists updated. So, I mean, those who have passed away, their names will have to be deleted. And many of us whose father's names appear there, but our names don't appear, we have to get our names added. So I think when the Estimao addresses us, he can tell us how we can do that. Because we need to have an updated membership list. And the second is list of all the properties owned by the Komnidar. And then we have to categorize them. I mean, there are some properties that are owned by the Komnidar that are not really revenue earning. There are some alleys and roads and some other such things from which no revenue can be expected. And then there are the properties which are fields and other things from which revenue can be got. So that updated list, I don't know whether it exists or it doesn't exist. If it exists, that's fine. Then it can be shared with the survey numbers. And if it doesn't exist, then we will have to get it prepared through the.
We can add your name now.
Pardon?
Not add your name.
We can give our name.
No, you can always add your name.
Yeah. So how do we do that?
Just give it to him.
Okay. We just have to show the father's name in that list.
Yeah,
and-
you just check your father's name.
No, I spotted. My father's name is
Yeah,
there.
then
Your birth certificate. Your birth certificate.
Then your birth certificate.
Your father's birth certificate. Your grandfather's will be the same grandfather.
No, because
Grandfather is not required. His father is already
Your
there.
birth certificate show that. So this means that you are the son of
Luis, father is only, father's name is already there.
Ah, okay.
So he's
Ah,
got
his
the
father's
birth
name
name
is
showing
there.
his father's name.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be
Yeah,
father.
yeah.
Okay.
Yours.
So you said, sir, one is to update the Downtown list and the second is the property list.
Yeah, I mean, I think those are important to have. Then whatever we did, then the last thing I wanted to know, we have a bank account in our name, right?
Yes.
We have, is it only a single bank account or we have a?
No, I think we need to
No, lot of them are. Lot of them are. But
No.
they are not showing.
Okay. But then now I also need to understand then what exactly had you asked me to,
No, so
what responsibility, what, there another fund that we are talking about?
Yes, which is devoid of putting any kind of accounts with the administration.
Okay.
This is basically something of the welfare of between us. Having a person who we all feel has credibility and they put faith and trust, everybody will want to contribute something or the other. And then at the end of at every meeting we say. So one second, I just also want to say that as far as the board is concerned, we are supposed to have 4 meetings in a year. Besides any other meeting that is called as an extraordinary meeting. Besides that, I think it will be essential because there is so much of backlog of work to do. Let us try and have one periodical regular meeting. One periodical regular meeting. So we have commonly decide or through the group. We can decide every second Sunday or every whatever of the month. So that we can carry forward the work that is to be done. There is too much of work to be done. Is that all agreeable?
Yes.
Should we do that? So once a month? Okay, we have done one thing on the register. On the register we have mentioned 4 areas that people can help. Whoever is an expert or whoever has got experience, they have put A, B, C, D. A is awareness, B is legality, C is assessment and environment, and D is fundraising. So I think we all have already filled up that register. Through the group we'll get in touch and build on that. Now we have quite a bit of time. It will be 11:30. If there is anybody, now it's open. If somebody wants to ask questions, but there are certain questions here that will be difficult to be answered because of the lack of knowledge. I have a small suggestion. There is a particular person in the village who has been taking very, very deep study and interest in as far as all the legalities and as far as our lawful status stands today. His name is Mr. Nelson Agavedo. I can invite him here. He is not of our Kumidar, he is from the Nareli Kumidar. But all Kumidar laws and rules and regulations are governed by the Code of Kumidar. This he knows thoroughly. So if you are open to it and if you want to know any kind of legal stand and so on and so forth, I can invite him here. So I first needed to ask you whether you would like it. Can I?
This will be for Kumidars in general, not pertaining our Kumidar.
No, but it connects us to our Kumidar.
No, he will not know what is happening inside.
No, but he has, it's a very general view.
He has got a house number.
Yes, it must be a house number.
No, not there. House number is not
No,
there.
that is the
So
private.
you, I wanted to write when I was the attorney at that time.
So you don't pay house tax.
Yes, but this is another issue.
Okay. Now this lights are there. You have got a meter.
No, we have brought it from our good neighbor.
No light.
I'll tell you something.
Because there is no number, you don't have.
See, in fact, we are just touching the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
What has happened is Mr. Rajiv helped us to find the Form 114. And we found on the Form 114 that this place contains 1,750 square meters. What we can see doesn't even look like 500 square meters. Now where is the other 1,250 is yet to know. So when we pass a resolution together that will ask for a resurvey. Is that okay? That's the way to do it.
So, can I just suggest,
Resurvey.
rather than resurvey, just download the map of the survey number. If you download the map, you will know how much of the land has been encroached on. And how much other than resurvey, they will just say, okay, 500 is
No, resurvey is not just
No,
that.
but if let's download the map
To
also.
start with,
Apart from-
resurvey is essential why? Because they will come and say, whoever that to say,
Yeah.
otherwise you have.
So it's not really resurvey, you will have to ask for demarcation of your plot. So we have to download the survey number, the map, and then ask for the plot to be demarcated. In that demarcation, you will know.
What I'm saying is, why don't we apply for a plan first? We get a plan.
No, so you download the map, no? It can be downloaded.
That's from the government, no? The surveyor will need the original one.
Hello, my name is Nelson Agavedo. I am a member of Kumidar of Nareli. Actually, previously there was a Golting Kumidar. The Golting agency was under Navili. Most of myself and most of Gaongas of Navili, they are residing in Golting only. Yeah. Because there was no Golting, but subsequently there was a division, division and even the church, the front portion of the church and cemetery falls in Naveli. The back portion of the church and falls in Golden. This was done maybe 100 years ago. Possibly, when the ancestors started reclaiming land, more and more. So there was a larger this one. Maybe it was simple to manage the divided it. Now, the word Gaonkari original has come from the word Gaon. Since the Gaon is owned by the Gaonkars, the local, they are called Gaonkars, and the system of governance is that Gaonkari. Now this has been going for centuries and millennia. Now as far as the tenancy, I'll come to it. Now Tenancy Act, actually, it is meant for those type of land. Now this type of land is not there, but they have brought in this survey which is fake, and they all these mamlatas are using it and conducting this course. Now I have so many matters there. I said now I go by the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is all about limitation, restriction, jurisdiction. Now, as per the Supreme Court judgment in Indian Constitution, only those land that are covered under Article 31A, they can come under Tenancy Act. None others. But those type of land is not involved. Only that fixed survey is there. Now, as far as survey, I would like to again what is this survey? What Bandolkar has done? It's like bringing a number plate of a common vehicle and they have attached to a private vehicle. There was this Zamindar. So Zamindar was the agent between the cultivators and the local. Now under Tenancy Act, the Zamindar, the agent is abolished. The tenant becomes occupant. Thereby, the British or they will have only that management and ownership. So the Zamindar was given only to collect sober collection without ownership. Now this one, as per Tenancy Act, if maybe anybody is declared as a tenant, that means that ultimately that they go purchase and all. It is actually the tenant become occupant of the land where nobody has the ownership. So it's a temporary measure. Yes, obviously, ओनर म्हणून वो आमचो गांव जाणून आमी सायबीण माय राखपाक गेलो ती आतां पळय मेरसे म्हणून एक तुमी आयकलां गांव आनी मेरसेज म्हणटा ते गांवच्या नांवांनी गांवचें नांव मोरंबी ग्रांड मोरंबी कितें मेरसे म्हणटा ते तांच्या चर्चीन आल्ताराचेर सायबीण आहा नो द सिनियर ऑफ द मेरसेज आवर लेडी ऑफ मर्सी तो मेरसेचो गांव सायबीणाच्या हातान दिलो राखपाक जागो केन्नाच विकिना So no grantee can become owner.
If you see our list of Gaonkar, the first people are Our Lady of Beaumont, there are 4 Our Ladies. They are the first Gaonkar. Everything is given in their custody to take care. That is the kind of faith.
Bonera तो दुसऱ्या दिसा नवी जाल्ली तुम्ही हाजे जेजू क्रिस्तांना पेरत सायबिणीक शेतां मिरान वता फादर सायबिण्या फुड्यान नळा तुका म्हणली हें रायट म्हणटच हें ते तशें लायक मेसेज हांगा सा मातये सा पेर हे सगळे गांव जाणू तांच्या हातान दिल्ले राखपाक No land is never sold. लोक सगळो जाणू लोक सगळो तोंडान ओरन म्हणटा पूण डॉक्युमेंटात हिंचोच ना इन दॅट फॉर्म 1 and 14 एवरीबडी शूड नो पण ते पळय पोर्चुगीज डॉक्युमेंट आहा तेनी जे एश्युरन्स प्रोप्रायटर्स लायसन्स म्हणटा हे आतां लोक कितें करता जाणा पळय हे आतां
But do care we can challenge the same deed.
You all have to come together.
No, suppose if I challenge, Gaonkar in the interest of public, Gaonkar will give his assent. आता समज हांवें एक समज आता डॉक्युमेंट चॅलेंज करता that this land was a communal. Okay, agree? And I am going the first person. Everything I will spend. But in the interest of public, 10 people will sign.
Why? Listen, I need to buy example.
This is what I want.
It is not only Goa. It is not only. It is entire India. पाटियाला पंजाबाची ती ऑर्डर पळयल्या की आमी आमचे कुमिल्ला दिवंक बिकॉज दिस सिस्टम इज इन पाटियाला पंजाब ना तो पाटियाला पंजाबाची ती ऑर्डर जसपंसमाची हा 2011 पळयल्या द होल ऑर्डर is based on a judgment of the Supreme Court of 1970 regarding Tamil Nadu. Yeah, तो paragraph कितें सांगता न्हू हे सरकारांनी जमीनदारी लँड आनी सोपो कलेक्शन दे ब्रॉट सो मेनी एक्ट्स दिस एंड दॅट एंड तुका पोजेशन आहा जाय पूण तुका ओनरशीप ना आनी तुवें तो जज कोर्ट कितें सुप्रीम कोर्टान तुवें नेटिवांचे रायट काडूंक जाय किंवां नेटिवांचे रायट तुमी दिवंक ना म्हणटा सरकाराक
When the notices were sent to each of the Punidas, saying that you want to sell the fields, so whatever the amount is, they sent a notice saying that ex parte they make a decision. And many such committees who did not appear, ex parte they took the decision that they have transferred the fields.
But they have taken all the.
They have transferred the fields in their name. In the case of Nelson, one appealing Punidas, he has started attending the Mamladar cases. What has happened since he has attended? It's the tenant who has abandoned. He doesn't want to come anymore. He's saying, I don't want the land. Because
And in the case of Golti, what has happened?
now, very good question. We just received one notice. We need to deliberate on that. We need to know what is to be done. So one of the things that first of all, the attorney has to attend, and the attorney has to say that it's not transferable. We put that point in the agenda.
That should happen.
Yes, he should send a letter, please, saying that it's not transferable, and you have to attend and give that letter.
No, but how many such notices have been received over the
Received.
years?
That we have to know from the backlog.
Decided by the Mamladar.
See, now, right now, the notice that has come to you is relevant. Based on that, all those others can be rescinded.
Because do we have a record of the notice?
I do not know, I just, yeah.
But I am not receiving anything.
Okay. No, now we have received, no.
Now we receive.
So we have to attend what we have
an
received.
ongoing thing.
That is separate, but what you have received, you have to handle. That will decide.
And not only you go there, but you tell the Mamladar, if there are any other such cases, you let me know,
Yes, let me
because
know, we have
I am
to-
the attorney for
Correct.
Golti
You have
Punidas.
passed on the right to
So let me
information.
know if there are any other pending
See,
cases.
only the notices are sent to that guy.
But so one
These are
notice, we
people
have
who are
one,
ready.
but we have one notice.
Yeah.
So we act on that and we inform the Mamladar, if there are any other such cases going, please tell us.
Mamladar always send a notice to the administrator, but these people have to follow.
I know.
That's what he's saying. That's what he's saying. When following, if you have sent some similar notices, please give us the list of those notices.
Yeah.
Because we object to that also.